I would say they go beyond the obvious in terms of asking questions about, all right, let's look beyond just what's happening with your teeth and in your mouth. Are there other health things going on in your life? And in my particular instance, we got into a conversation not long ago about sleep disruption. And that led to a whole series of conversations and ultimately to being fitted for and getting an appliance that I wear at night to help with just keeping the air passage open. Cuts way down on the snoring, which makes my wife very, very happy. But had we not engaged in that conversation, none of that might ever have taken place. The process of getting fitted for it was having a mold, an impression taken, because it is a custom fitted device. I can very emphatically state that it did exactly what Dr. Keel expected it would do. I know for certain that it works well. One, again, because my wife has said so, but a few weeks ago we had gone to a friend's wedding, and my daughter, who was at college, came home, and we were in a hotel suite. One night I forgot to put the appliance in, and the first words out of my daughter's mouth the next morning were like, "Dad, really? You sounded like a freight train all night long." So I'm very much convinced that this is doing the trick and helping in that regard.